Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're listening to Nidhi and in today's video I'll be swatching and reviewing the K-Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipsticks. So these are her newest launches. So they do come in this kind of outer box packaging. Everything's color coded and at the back side you do get the shelf life, expiry and everything printed. So they do have an expiry of 3 years. While they do contain 4.2 grams of product, and that is how the inner packaging of the lipsticks look like. They do have color coded bottoms while the shade name sticker is mentioned at the bottom. The top golden cap does have the K-Beauty's monogram printed all over, and these lipsticks have nice weight to them and they are magnetic. So that is how the bullet looks like. It does have this unique cupid's bow shape given to it, which makes the application really easy while applying. Okay, so it just hugs the shape of the lip very well. So that was how the packaging is overall. I really liked the packaging and the way it feels luxe in my hands. Now talking about the formula, it is very creamy and easy to apply. It glides on easily. It is enriched with raspberry seed oil as they have mentioned, and it does not tug or pull at all. It glides effortlessly on the lips and the color pigment payoff is bang on. It's very pigmented. It does not feel sticky. It does not even have any fragrance as far as I have noticed, and it just settles in this soft finish on my lips. It is having that no shine matte finish, which I totally love. Other which ways these claim to be matte lipsticks, but they turn out to be very creamy looking on the lips, while this one particularly is not at all very creamy looking on the lips. They are very like, you know, no shine matte kind of feeling on the lips, and they are very lightweight is one thing that I really loved. They do not even feel as if you're having anything on your lips. So that was another thing that I really liked. Plus the formula, the pigmentation, everything I loved. Like, I have so many lipsticks, but I didn't find one like these. The formula on these is totally different, you guys. It does not feel like it's a bullet lipstick. Though it applies creamy, it does transfer a bit. I've noticed with these lipsticks with time, like around 30 to 40 minutes, they turn more matte, so then they transfer lesser than initially. And talking about the longevity, these did stand food and meals really well. I wasn't expecting a bullet lipstick to do so. They did stand really well, and this video is not at all sponsored. They had just sent me the lipsticks in my PR as I get different products from them, but this was not sponsored at all. And I am a total liquid lipstick kind of person. I don't really reach out for such bullet lipsticks because they transfer and they do not stay. But these ones, from the day I've got them, I've been like constantly going back and forth with these shades. I totally love this shade. Totally love this shade. Like this one, it looks so good. The shade Wrap Up is like my favorite out of the ones I've got. It looks very gorgeous. It's that subtle pink color, perfect for everyday wear. And the one previous to this one too, like if you wear it with a brown lip liner, it just looks gorgeous. Now one thing that I felt was a con was the price point. So they are priced a bit steep, that is for $999 for one 4.2 gram of a lipstick. So that is steep, but definitely right now they're having a launch offer of 10% off and you can grab them at $899. But definitely if you wait for even longer, they have their Pink Friday sale coming up, and with more such sales you would definitely get these lipsticks for even lesser than the MRP. So if you want to wait, you can definitely do that, but I would have all the shade names and everything mentioned in the description box, along with my favorite shades with an asterisk. But I totally loved how these lipsticks were. They are so lightweight, you know, it doesn't even feel as if I'm wearing anything, neither does it accentuate the fine lines on my lips with time. Otherwise, you know, these kind of creamy formulas tend to settle in the fine lines of my lips and it just looks pathetic, but this one did not do that at all. K Beauty did not let me down this time. I totally love their matinee lip crayon, I guess that's what they're called as. I love them because they just stay on for so long and they are matte, totally my jam. And even these, the formula is really good for a matte lipstick. Like truly I can call these as a matte lipsticks. Though they are creamy and very comfortable on the lips, they don't really, you know, transfer that easily and still stay on the lips for a long time, and that is why I liked these lipsticks. Those were my swatches in complete natural light on my bare skin. I'm NC40 in MAC for reference. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you found out my swatches helpful, then hit that like button. You can find all the shade names and details mentioned in the description box, and obviously you can shop these on Nykaa. And yeah, you can continue watching the swatches. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.